There are important decisions that you take in this life that will take you to your destination. In this video, we are going to look at 4 basic things to know before you start your financial freedom journey. Welcome to my Life Plan Tips channel, where I will talk about making money online to get to your financial destination. Now, the first thing you must know before starting your journey or embarking on that journey is you must make up your mind and know that it is very possible for you to get to your financial destination. A lot of time you hear that it is not possible to get financial freedom in this part of the life, but that is not so true. You must believe in your mind that it is very possible, because of course there are people that have reached their financial destination. In fact, we have young people that have gotten to their financial destination, right? But then you must prepare your mind, yes, and take control of your mindset. That is the only way to move forward. If you don't take control of your mindset, then it will be dragging you backward, and we don't need that on this financial freedom journey. Okay, so your mindset must be made up, right? And then you do away with some beliefs that you got from your parents or from your friends or colleagues. There's a mindset that is very difficult to do away with. But if you're going to start your financial freedom journey, you must do away with such mindset. Take, for instance, possible while you were growing up, you must have heard your parents say, we don't pick money from the floor. Oh, it's very difficult to get money or to make money. You must suffer. You see? So if you brought up with that kind of mindset, then you find it difficult to say that it is possible to get to that financial freedom, right? So do away with that kind of mindset in order to move forward in your financial freedom life. It is very possible, even as a young person, to get to your financial freedom. Even as a low income earner, it is very possible to become financial free. Now, the number 2 thing that we will look at is know what your monthly expenses are. Yes, if you're going to begin a financial freedom journey, you must know what your monthly expenses are. Okay, and how do you get to know what your monthly expenses are? You must have a knowledge of what comes in and what goes out at the end of the month. That is, you must know how much salary comes in, or if you're a business person, how much of income comes to you at the end of it. That is the only way you will know how to get to your financial business. And you get to know that by tracking your expenses. What do I mean by tracking your expenses? I mean, you must keep record of every spending that you do daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, half a year down, or in a year. Yes, it is only when you know how to keep record of these things that you will know that, this is how much I have spent for a week, or this is how much I need to spend in the next 3 months, because I have a record. Okay, and for you to do that, you must do a budget. I mean, tracking and budgeting go hand in hand. And what do I mean by budgeting? I mean having a plan of how much you're going to spend in a month. If your salary, for example, is 100,000, then you must know how much, you must know how to spend all that 100,000, and you must have a plan to go with it. Or we have the 30 we have the 50 30 20 system that you can use. That means that 50% of your income should go towards your needs, 30% of your income should go towards your want, and 20% should go towards your saving. Now you might want to ask, what are my needs? Your needs are the necessary things that you need. Your rent or house maintenance if you are a landowner, your feeding, yes, your transportation or the fueling of your car. Those are the basic needs. Then you have other ones like your cable, your clothing, your personal effect. Yes, all those ones accumulate to be your needs. And then your wants are like going out for dinner, entertainment, you know, those little things that you can do away with. Yes, those are your wants. Then your savings, or your savings includes your retirement savings or projects that you are planning to have in the future, those who in your retirement. Now, after budgeting your money, there's another thing that you must do. Okay, you must cut down your expenses. Yes, if you are going on your financial freedom, there is no two way about it. You must cut down your expenses. I mean, you must live a minimal time. Like, what do I mean by that? Your living must be barely on basic. You don't have to be like the Joneses. No, you don't follow the trends that is happening in society. No, you have a goal in front of you, and if you want to follow that goal, to achieve that goal, you must not live like other people. Yes, then how can you cut down from expenses? There are three main things that you can cut down from: your accommodation, your feeding, and your transportation. Your accommodation, you might decide to cut down to a 2 bedroom. Yes, if you are living in a 3 bedroom, you must decide to cut down to a 2 bedroom. Yes, transportation, instead of buying a brand new car, you can buy a grade A car. Yes, there's a grade A car that you can buy. In your feeding, you don't have to eat all the eatable. You don't have to go out to for a dinner every night. You might decide now to go every other night. Yes, if you are able to do those things, then we will say that you are a step ahead towards your financial freedom journey. Then, know your net worth. Yes, number 3 basic thing that you must know is that you must know your network if you are going on your financial freedom journey. What do we mean by knowing your network? You must know your assets, how much your things cost. I mean, do you know how much your TV costs? If you don't know how much your TV costs, how will you know the other properties that you have? So you must know the worth of everything you have. You must know the total amount of, you must know your network. You must know your net worth. I mean, without knowing your net worth, you won't be able to start your financial freedom journey. Yes, the fourth basic thing that you must know is you must know your exit date. Yes, you must know when you are going to you must know when you will reach your financial freedom destination. What will your exit date be? I mean, if you are 25 years now, you tell yourself, okay, I want to retire in 30 years, or I want to retire when I'm 50. Well, then you have to calculate that exit date. Maybe 30 years from now will be 2060. Yes. So you must know that your exit date, and you must keep it at the back of your mind always, so that it will help you to push how far you can go in generating revenue or generating income towards your financial independence life. Please like and subscribe to my Life Plan Tips channel. Until I come your way again, I say bye.